Hi, I'm Eric, a landscape designer working in the UK. On this channel, I teach landscape design workflows from CAD drawings to graphics, visualization, and artificial intelligence in the industry. This channel isn't about learning tools in isolation, but rather as connected dots in a workflow. It's about understanding the complete landscape workflow, how ideas move from concept into CAD drawings, and finally into clear and professional graphics and visuals. In this channel, you will learn how to create and draw plans, planting plans, sections, elevations, and details on AutoCAD. You will also learn how to transform and communicate those drawings into professional material using Photoshop and AI tools. I will show you how to communicate those ideas so team members and clients can clearly understand your vision. And also, I will show you how we can use drones to extract site data and incorporate it into landscape design. I also test and review AI platforms, always from the design landscape perspective, not just to show the tool, but rather to see how we can incorporate these into real workflows within our industry. I showcase what works, what doesn't work, and how these technologies add real value to our design process. While I work within a professional landscape practice, most of my projects are confidential. However, I showcase the same workflows and the same techniques that I apply in the real-world industry, so you can apply it to your own projects or practice. I publish roughly a long-form video every 10 days and a couple of shorts per week. If you're a landscape architect, a designer, or a student that wants to improve your skills and also your visual communication, hit the button of subscribe and explore the playlists. And let's build better landscape design workflows together.